Hi, I'm Ryan Baxter, Senior Executive Research and Development Chef for Kraft Foodservice. Today we're going to look at seasonal Caesars, and we're going to prepare for you some unique crisp items to accompany them. So on my counter here in front of me are some opportunities that we sort of put together earlier to make, right, everyone thinks of croutons, right? Little cubes of bread that are either fried or baked, and there's nothing really wrong with those, but our focus today is to look at some uniqueness to them. So one of the things that we're going to do for you today is to show you how we produced these beautiful crostinis for your salad. And this is very simple. We take a loaf of standard French bread, we slice it very thin on the bias, and then earlier today, I brushed them with a little bit of oil and I baked them in an oven for about 6 or 7 minutes to get nice and crisp. Here's an example of one of those that I made earlier today. So to finish that, I've made a preparation of soft goat's cheese, which customers love. We've blended that with some Philadelphia brand cream cheese to give that nice sour creaminess note, and also some herbs. I'm taking that mixture and I've allowed it to soften a little bit at room temperature, and I'm applying it to this crisp lightly baked crostini. Usually I put it the whole length and spread it out with a thin knife like this. We're going to place that onto a sheet pan lined with parchment paper. And then I have some Kraft Parmesan cheese, which we're going to top that with. And then I'm going to bake this in the oven either now when I need it or a little bit later on for a beautiful, unique, crisp alternative to croutons. Really want to take a fresh look at Caesar and get away from that standard Caesar that everyone makes so that we can bring something unique to your operation which helps you attract and retain customers. This pickled watermelon Caesar is perfect for the spring and summer months and features grilled shrimp, cornbread croutons, pickled watermelon, and is topped with our Kraft creamy Caesar dressing. This fall-winter offering, which we've playfully named Kale Caesar, features a poached egg, crisp green apple croutons, and creamy Kraft Caesar dressing. And thanks so much for watching. Go to craftfoodservice.com for more recipes and ideas. And while you're there, sign up for Craftworks, our exclusive online program for food professionals like you.